Hi, Mike Reamer from Salsa Cycles. We've got 3 demo trucks that kind of make their way around the country. If you're looking to demo a Salsa full suspension mountain bike this year, those 3 rigs will have Deadwood full suspension bikes on them, a 29 plus full suspension rig, 91 mils of rear travel, 120 mils of front travel. They'll also have the Pony Rustler, 27.5 plus full suspension mountain bike, 120 rear travel, 130 front travel. And they're going to have is Redpoint. And Redpoint is our standard 27.5 wheel, 150 rear end, 160 front end full suspension mountain bike. All these bikes use split pivot rear suspension, and the demo trucks will have the full size range in each of those 3 models when you're at a full suspension Salsa demo. Thanks for watching.